Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to a piece of rolling Americana that smells faintly of gasoline, vinyl, and the sweet perfume of adventure. The 1962 Chevrolet C10 with an Alpine Camper. You know, I've seen plenty of campers in my time, from futuristic off-grid beasts to rusty backyard dreams. But this one? This is the kind of rig that makes you believe road trips had a soul back then. Now, back to this beauty. The truck itself has been lovingly restored in its original light green 533 metallic, the kind of color that makes you feel like you're driving inside a mint milkshake. It's got white accents on the roof, grille, and side moldings, plus chrome brightwork that could blind your neighbor's dog on a sunny day. Powering this gem is a 327 cubic inch V8. That's about 5.4 liters for the metric crowd, paired with a smooth 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission. I think whoever named it Powerglide must have been the same guy who thought 2 gears were enough for eternity. But hey, it works! Inside, the cab feels like a 60s diner on wheels. Gray and white vinyl bench seat, loop carpeting, and even a Motorola CB radio. There's also an AM radio, though I doubt it picks up anything other than static and baseball scores. Now let's talk about that Alpine Camper. This thing was sourced from the Alpine Manufacturing Company back in the day, and it matches the truck like peanut butter matches jelly. It's got sliding windows, a rear entry door, and a kitchenette that includes a stove, sink, water tank, and even an ice maker. That's right, a 1960s camper that thought cold drinks were as important as horsepower. The inside is cozy too, with refinished wood paneling and benches that convert into beds. I believe the intercom system between the cab and camper was probably used for one thing only: yelling, "Are we there yet?" The mechanicals have been fully refreshed, carburetor and distributor rebuilt, alternator replaced, new spark plugs, belts, hoses, and even a rebuilt power steering box. It rides on 15-inch steel wheels, wrapped in 255/60 Firestone tires. And there's a propane tank neatly mounted on the step bumper. The seller really treated this truck like family, but you know, the kind of family member you actually like. This vintage masterpiece was last bid to $22,111, about 20,400 euros, back in 2020, and I think that's a steal. Try building anything remotely similar today. You'll need a second mortgage and a forgiving spouse. I liked the most how balanced this truck feels, not just mechanically, but emotionally. It's got the spirit of freedom, a pinch of nostalgia, and just enough chrome to make you grin every time you catch its reflection in a storefront. So if you ever see a mint green Chevy C10 with an Alpine Camper humming down the highway, wave. You're looking at history rolling on 4 wheels and a dream.